Okay. Good evening, my dear students. Again, I'm going to explain what are the events present in mitosis. Okay, right? So before entering into events present in mitosis, we should know what about a mitocyte. What is mitocyte? What is mitocyte? Cell with mitotic ability or division capacity. Cell with mitotic ability is called as a mitocyte. So here I'm taking one mitocyte. So here mitocyte is, for example, a cell. It is a mitocyte. For example, somatic cell. Whatever the somatic cell, this is a mitocyte in which mitotic division is possible. And that is with only one nucleus. And the 2n chromosome number is 4. 4 chromosomes are present.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you said you will again repeat after the completion of whole mitosis, no?
Yeah. Somebody asked again.
Okay.
Somebody asked. That's why I'm going through each and every event. Okay, again, I will repeat. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, to n, actually, cell division is very, very important even after completion of your medicine. It is very, very important. 2n is 4 chromosomes. Okay. So, what about the number of DNA molecules? DNA molecules, 4 DNA molecules. And content of DNA. Content of DNA is according to textbook, for example, 2C, for example only, right? So this is a cell undergoing mitosis. Now, what about a mitotic cell cycle? So first phase is interphase. Okay, so that intervenes between two successive mitotic phases. Okay, and I will give you all events at a sequence of events at the end. Just remember main events, interphase. So interphase is a non-dividing phase. There is no division of a cell or nucleus. Okay, so there is no division of a no division of cell or nucleus. Okay, just the cell is preparing for division phase. So during interphase, cell is preparing for division phase. Okay, and it is not a resting phase. It is not a, a resting phase. And it is long lasting one. Long lasting phase. Maximum time is consumed for interphase. More time is consumed. One minute time. Okay, more time is consumed. Long lasting phase. Right? Long lasting phase. It is not a resting phase. A number of biochemical reactions are taking place by means of which cell is preparing for division phase. So we divided all events which are taking place in interphase into three subphases. What are they? First one, gap period 1, G1, gap 1, gap period 1. So what about gap? What are characteristics? Synthesis of RNA, proteins, and energy also. Energy means ATP, for example, energy. Okay. And the cell growth. Cell growth and development. Next. Chromatin is indistinct. Indistinct. Indistinct means not clearly visible. Indistinct, not clearly visible, or inconspicuous. Not clearly visible. Simply you can write not clearly visible. So chromatin is a network. It is chromatin. Chromatin is at decondensed. Decondensed is also called as extended. Extended in the form of a network, a mesh-like network, or entangled. చిక్కుబడిన అంటాం కదా, entangled. Entangled, and no chromosome appearance. Just it remains as DNA only. No chromosome formation. So that is about events which are taking place during gap period 1. And the second one, synthesis. Okay, synthetic phase. During this DNA replication, or simply division of DNA, formation of daughter DNA molecules, DNA doubled. Doubling of DNA. So doubling of DNA means 2C content, 2C DNA convert into 4C DNA, DNA doubled. But there is no change in chromosome number and ploidy. Ploidy also same. For example, 2n chromosome number 4. There also, even after completion of this one, what about the number of chromosomes? Similar to same as that of this phase, G1 phase. Just DNA is doubled. Okay, doubling of DNA. So here I'm giving one diagram. First copy it. Copy this one. Okay, now I am erasing board. Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
అవును స్వాగత్, is it correctly visible? Orientation బాగుందా?
Yes, sir.
Display left to right మీకు visibility ఉందిగా?
Sir, left right ఉంది sir.
Okay, right.
No sir, super.
Okay. Now, what about S phase? What about DNA replication? So here I'm giving one diagram to understand the concept. So take one chromosome, for example only. This is a centromere. And this is one chromosome. That is chromosome 1 with one DNA molecule. One double-stranded DNA molecule. So one chromosome with one DNA molecule. So take this one as a 2C, right? After DNA replication. After DNA, division of DNA. See, what about the change in that chromosome? One chromosome only. Okay, so DNA molecule 1, for one DNA molecule, next DNA molecule. Okay, so this is also one chromosome. Same chromosome, one chromosome with two DNA molecules, two daughter DNA molecules, two daughter DNA molecules, two DNA molecules, daughter DNA molecules. So 2C, doubled or not? So now you can take 4C DNA. But what about the number of chromosomes? Same, 1, 1 only. There is no change in the number of chromosomes and ploidy of that cell, but there is a change in the number of DNA molecules per chromosome. One DNA into two DNA molecules, DNA replication. Okay, is it clear? Right, so that is about S phase, synthetic phase. Okay, next.
Hello sir.
Yes.
Sir, what is meant by content of DNA, sir?
Amount of DNA.
Okay, sir.
Quantity of DNA. Quantity of DNA. Okay. Next. Gap period 2. Same statements. Synthesis of protein, RNA, and energy in the form of ATP. Okay. Next. Doubling of cell organelles generally.
So the synthesis of proteins RNA will be in the
That will be continued. Yes, gap period 1 and 2. S phase also. S phase also continuously production of protein, RNA, ATPs, continuation required. Okay, reason cell is going to produce two daughter cells or not. For that one, for the construction of two daughter cells, protein required, RNA, ATP, energy required. Okay,
Okay, sir.
cell growth, continuation, continued. Okay, so that's about gap period 2. So during interphase, cell is able to produce a number of chemicals by a number of biochemical reactions by means of which it is preparing for division phase. For example, first year intermediate, second year intermediate, interphase. During first year and second year intermediate, you are not taking rest. It is long lasting one or not. You are preparing for final NEET examination. Final NEET examination duration is 3 hours only. For 3 hours exam, how many years you are preparing? 2 years. 2 into 12, 24 months interphase period for 3 hours NEET examination, like that. So long lasting phase, time consuming one. Preparing the cell for division phase. Okay. Now, what about division phase? We divide division phase into two subphases. One, karyokinesis. Karyokinesis word is well known to you. Division of nucleus. Division of nucleus. And we divide karyokinesis into various subphases. What are they? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Okay, so by means of these four subphases, nucleus is doubled, one nucleus into two nuclei. So karyokinesis, and second one, cytokinesis. Division of cytoplasm, ultimately cell will be converted into two daughter cells. Okay, right? Now what about prophase? Copy this one. Copy this one.
Yes. Completed, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to erase it. This one also. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, sir.
How many joined?
19, sir.
19. And all of you, listen to me. On Sunday, they are going to conduct a debate, okay, and essay writing and other events to encourage the student. The decision was took by our respectable Secretary Sir Praveen Kumar Sir. Please participate in that event. Go to the nearest college and they will conduct so-called events. Please try to involve in that one. Okay.
College, sir. Only Gurukulam.
అవునమ్మా మీ కన్సర్న్ సోషల్ వెల్ఫేర్ లేదా గురుకులం ఆల్సో నియరెస్ట్ సోషల్ వెల్ఫేర్ అండ్ ట్రైబల్ వెల్ఫేర్ go and ask them, they will arrange you all the things for that one.
In girls Gurukulam also, sir. Only boys, sir.
They will give you guidance. Go and ask them, please. Okay, good question. Good question. Okay, so now division phase. So in the division phase, first one I'm taking karyokinesis. First one, prophase. Okay, so what about events during prophase? First one, condensation of chromatin into chromosome. Condensation of chromatin, thread-like chromatin into chromosome. For example, this is a chromatin, DNA 1, DNA 2, 2 DNA molecules. This is chromatin only.
Sir, video stuck అయింది.
Yes, video stuck.
Sir, your video is not audible.
Yes, power gone. Power gone.
Power
So,
gone.
I think so. No Wi-Fi
Power
connection will be available, sir, to you.
Yes. Power gone.
సార్ మరి గురుకులం గర్ల్స్ గురుకులం
for few minutes.
ఫాలో చేస్తారా?
బాయ్స్ గురుకులానికి వెళ్ళమ్మా.
సార్
బాయ్స్ గురుకులానికి వెళ్ళు.
బాయ్స్
బాయ్స్ గురుకులానికి వెళ్ళు.
బాయ్స్ చాలా దూరం సార్, గర్ల్స్ దగ్గర.
అయితే
ఓకే, వెళ్ళమ్మా, నో ప్రాబ్లం. వెళ్ళు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. చెప్పు వాళ్ళకి, కన్విన్స్ అయ్యి, వెరీ ఇట్స్ ఫార్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ హోమ్ అని చెప్పు. దే విల్ యాక్సెప్ట్ ఇట్.
డిస్కషన్ సార్ మా దగ్గర ట్రైబల్ వెల్ఫేర్ ఉంది సార్.
అవునా, వెళ్ళు, ట్రైబల్ వెల్ఫేర్కి వెళ్ళు. మీకు వీడియో వస్తుందా?
వస్తుంది సార్.
బ్లర్ ఉంది సార్, కొంచెం
వస్తుందా?
క్లియర్ గా ఉంది సార్.
కొంచెం బ్లర్ ఉందా?
కంటిన్యూ సార్.
Shall I continue? Continue చేసుకోండి. Yes, condensation. Now chromosome is produced. Now that in that chromosome, remember what about the number of DNA molecules? 2 DNA molecules are present. Already it was completed. DNA molecule 1, DNA molecule 2 DNA molecules. Okay. So that is about the first event. Next event.
Sir, so in the synthetic phase, the chromosome will not be there. It will be in the form of chromatin only.
Yes, in the form of chromatin only. In the form of chromatin only. During prophase, it is condensed into chromosome. That's why I told you, I'm taking just for our understanding only, I'm taking chromosome. Actually, during interphase, we should not take chromosome, just chromatin only. But I gave you chromosome to represent total number of DNA molecules. Okay. Division of chromatid. Now division of chromatid. So this is only one chromatid. Only one chromatid. Now take that one here. Centromere chromatid with DNA molecule 1 and second DNA molecule. So division of chromatid. Centromere only one. Chromatid like orbital. Chemistry orbital draw చేస్తారుగా, orbitals. ఇది ఆర్బిటల్ కదా? Yes, like that. So this is chromatid 1, and now the chromatid is having one DNA molecule. Initially, now see in this chromatid how many? 2 DNA molecules. One pen with 2 refills. అంటే మీరు బ్లూ రెడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు కదా ఒకే పెన్ లో, బ్లూ ఇంక్ రెడ్ ఇంక్. కట్ చేసామనుకోండి పెన్ 1 పెన్ 2 మీన్స్ రిఫిల్ సపరేట్ అవుతుంది 1 క్రోమోజోమ్. సో DNA molecule second one. So what is the change here? Chromatid number only. Here how many chromatids? 1 chromatid. So here how many chromatids? 2 chromatids. Are you getting it? Visible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Here? Okay, thank you. మా జియో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారా బాబు, బతికిపోయాం. ఈవెన్ వితౌట్ వైఫై we can run class. I think so.
Sir, no, sir, it's not clear. It's okay. Just.
Okay, little
Just
blur,
your
I
audio
think.
is better, sir.
Audio is
okay.
best, but video
Blur.
only.
Audio is so blur.
Okay, I will stop here, no problem.
So it's
So
okay,
chromatid
sir.
enter.
Sir,
Maybe
let you.
power came.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I will continue. No problem. Yes, okay.
Continue.
Okay, I will continue. No problem. Yes, yes, okay. So 1 chromatid into 2 chromatids. Second event completed. Third event, disappearance or dissolution. Disappearance or dissolution of nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope. I think now you will get it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, now I got the Wi-Fi. So disappearance of nuclear envelope and nucleolus. Okay, so for example, this is a cell during initial phase of prophase. Nuclear envelope, nucleolus. No nuclear envelope, nucleolus, and the chromosomes are randomly distributed within the cytoplasm. How many chromosomes there? 1, 2, 3, 4 chromosomes or not? Is there any change in the number of chromosomes so far? No.
No.
There is no change in the number of chromosomes, but there is a change in the parts of chromosome. DNA doubled, chromatid doubled. Okay, so that is about prophase. What are the two major events? Condensation of chromatin into chromosome, division of chromatid, disappearance of nuclear membrane, nucleolus, and disorganization of other cell organelles also. Remember that statement. Disappearance of cell organelles. General statement. Remember that one. Okay, copy it.
So all the cell organelles will be disappears.
Almost all. Nucleus also disappeared or not? Where is the nucleus? Okay.
Okay,
Right. So at the end of prophase 1, there is no separation between karyoplasm and cytoplasm. Both are mixed. The reason? Swagat, what is the reason?
Nuclear membrane disappears.
Power gone, sir.
Now I'm erasing the board. Okay, copy this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So prophase completed. Now metaphase. Second one. Metaphase. So here diagram, here description. First diagram. Observe, please observe what are the events which are taking place at the time of metaphase. Okay, right? So first, formation of a spindle apparatus. Formation of, I will give the description, wait, spindle apparatus. Okay, right? So once a spindle apparatus is produced, what about the chromosomes? Chromosomes are systematically arranged. What is a spindle apparatus? A proteinaceous spindle-shaped structure. I will give you a description how spindle apparatus is produced. Wait, first you should learn what is spindle. Spindle-shaped one, proteinaceous body. These are the microtubules, fibers. So once spindle apparatus is produced, all the chromosomes are properly aligned, arranged at the equator. Centromere 1, 2, 3, 4 centromeres. Okay. Chromatid 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 of each chromosome. Okay. So this is called as chromosome plate, metaphase plate. Now attachment of microtubule to kinetochore of centromere, kinetochore of centromere, kinetochore of centromere, kinetochore of centromere, attached. Okay, right? Now, what about description for this one? First one, formation of bipolar spindle apparatus with microtubules. Okay, right? And that spindle is of two types. How many types? So types of spindles. How many types? Two types of spindles. One, anastral type. Generally present in plants. What is anastral? Cytoskeleton. Okay, cytoskeleton. From cytoskeleton, microtubules are extended. So here microtubules are extended towards center, not in the form of a star-like structure. There is no star-like appearance.
Longitudinal.
Yes.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Yes. So cytoskeleton is involved in the formation of microtubules of that spindle apparatus. So there is no star-like structure, anastral. Okay, wait, now you can understand what is the difference between these two. Second one, now astral type. Astral, present in animals. What is, hello, please, mute. Astral, so centrioles. During S phase, centriole is doubled. If you go back to cell biology, that is a cell structure and functions, centrosome, centrioles given. centriole. Okay. So from centriole, see, simple I'm writing, not complete centriole, just C I will use you, CNT, CNT, centriole, CNT, centriole. Formation of microtubules. Microtubules. Star-like or not? Star-like. Radiating fibers look like a total structure, looks like a star or not? Star. Okay, astral. So extension of microtubules. Okay, so that is the difference between astral and anastral. What about the first event, formation of bipolar spindle apparatus from pole, opposite poles towards center or not? Two moment. This is a two moment towards the center, two moment. Okay, two moment. Next one is a fro moment later, not now. So once spindle apparatus is produced, what about the alignment of chromosomes systematically arranged? So second statement, formation of equatorial plate or chromosome plate. Equatorial, at the equatorial means at the midpoint of the cell. Exactly at the midpoint of the cell, half of the cell. That chromosome line, arrangement, alignment. Chromosome plate, equatorial plate, or that is also called as metaphase plate. Okay, how many spindle apparatus here? One. So spindle apparatus 1. Chromosome plates. How many plates? One plate only. Chromosome plate 1. So for NEET, the ratio between these two is 1:1 ratio. This is very, very important for NEET examination. They will ask you like this. What
Sir?
is the ratio? Yeah.
So spindles are two, right? Up and down.
No. See, what is a spindle? Broad at the middle, gradually tapering towards end. This is spindle. This is upper half. This is a down half. Together called as a spindle. What is a spindle? Is it a spindle? It is not spindle, cone. Take one more cone, double cone. Spindle. Now it is called as spindle. Spindle means broad at the middle, gradually pointed towards the ends. That is spindle.
Okay.
Upper half, down half. Together, complete one spindle apparatus. Many fibers are present, that different. Number of fibers different, but spindle apparatus is only one. And chromosome plates, one. Next, third event. Third event here I'm giving attachment of microtubules or spindle fibers to kinetochore. Kinetochore of centromere. Attached or not? See here, kinetochore, two kinetochores. Proteinaceous couple-like structures. Okay, so microtubules attached to kinetochore. Two kinetochores. Okay, is it clear? Any objection? Here ratio is very, very important. Ratio between spindle apparatus and chromosome plates, 1:1 ratio. One spindle, one chromosome plate. How many rows of chromosomes? One row of chromosome. Okay. Now take the screenshot, please. Copy it, please.
Sir, so in the animal cell, there are many microtubules, but only 4 are attached to the chromosomes.
No. It depends on number of chromosomes. How many tubules produce, depends on chromosome. Per chromosome, this is one fiber, this is another fiber. 2 required. Here 2. Thread-like structure. This is one thread up to here, another thread. So overall, this is one thread, but disconnected. Okay, so fiber 1, fiber 2, fiber 3, fiber 4, like that, 8 fibers. Per chromosome, 2 fibers required.
So in the animal cell, there are many fibers in the form of aster, no?
Yeah, many. How many are extended? Just I gave you like this. See, to understand star, this is also star. For example, take like this, 1, 2, 3. This is also star. To understand the concept, I gave many.
So, but only 4 are extended from each end.
Yeah, 4 means that depends on chromosomes. How many chromosomes are there?
4.
Our means 46, sir.
Here 4 I took in the case of plant. In human being, how many? In human being, 46 or not? 1 to, yeah, 1 to 46 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
92
30, 40,
no, sir.
46. Wait, 46. 1, 2, 3, 4, 30, 35, 36, 37, 40, 41, 46. Like that. It depends. Depends on chromosomes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. This is enough for today, and we will meet tomorrow to complete mitosis. Don't worry about mitosis. Slowly we can command. This is online. It is not physical, so it will take a lot of time to command the topic. That's why I'm going very slowly. Okay, is it clear? Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will complete mitosis. After that, meiosis. Okay, is it clear? Bye. See you. We will meet tomorrow.
Bye, sir. Good night. Tata.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. 20 members or 22 members? How many members attended?
Sir, 24 are attended, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. See you. Take it, please.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
After completion of mitosis, I will teach you neat areas present in mitosis. Reason every year they are asking one question out of cell division. Okay. Bye. See you.
Bye, sir.